I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a simple, cheap hot glue gun into a powerful, versatile heating and welding tool. I'll take a screwdriver and carefully remove all the screws from the casing. The goal here is to access the internal heating element and nozzle, which we will modify for our project. Once the screws are out, I'll open up the plastic shell and remove the internal components. Next, I need to prepare a valve. I'm using scissors to cut it out of rubber. I will remove the rubber casing and detach the metal tip from the valve. This metal tip is what we'll use as our primary conductor for the electrical current, so getting it isolated is a crucial step. I'm taking a thick red electrical wire. I'll use pliers to strip a small section of the insulation from one end. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll then wrap this exposed copper wire securely around the base of the metal valve. A tight, solid connection is absolutely crucial here to ensure maximum electrical conductivity for our tool. With the wire securely attached, I'll thread it through the glue gun housing. Then, I'll carefully reassemble the plastic shell, making sure the valve sits perfectly in its original position at the front. I'll screw the casing back together tightly. This will give us a safe, insulated, and comfortable handle for our new device. Moving to the other end of the red wire, I'll strip off the insulation again. I'm going to attach a sturdy metal alligator clip to this end. This clip will allow us to easily and safely connect our tool to a power source later on. I'll crimp it down hard to make sure it won't pull loose. Now for a really cool part. I'm taking an old, dead AA battery. Using pliers, I'm carefully peeling back the metal casing to extract the carbon rod located right in the center. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Carbon is an excellent conductor of electricity and can withstand extremely high temperatures without melting, making it the perfect material for our heating tip. I'll give it a quick wipe to clean off any chemical residue. To make the tool precise, I'll secure the carbon rod in the chuck of my drill. While spinning the drill, I'll use a piece of sandpaper to shape the end into a fine, sharp point. This focus point will allow for pinpoint heat concentration. Then, I simply insert the unsharpened end of the rod directly into the valve. For power, I'm using a strong 21-volt drill battery. I'll place a couple of metal washers on the battery terminals to give us a better clamping surface. Then, I'll connect the red alligator clip from our modified glue gun to the positive terminal. I'll also attach a blue wire with clips to the negative terminal to complete our circuit. Let's test it out. I will connect the negative wire to two razor blades placed on a block of wood. When I touch the carbon tip to the blade, the circuit completes, and it instantly creates an intense arc of heat, melting right through the solid steel. This shows just how incredibly powerful our homemade device is. It's not just for welding, it's a versatile tool. And even better, by twisting two stripped wires together and applying the heated carbon tip, I can instantly solder them together without needing a soldering iron or extra solder. The arc fuses the copper for a strong, clean joint. Now for the moment of truth and our final reveal. I have a metal cup with a broken handle. I'll clamp the negative lead to the cup. By holding the handle in place and touching the joint with our carbon tip, I can literally spot weld the metal back together. The intense heat fuses the pieces perfectly. Look how strong that is. an amazing multifunctional tool made from a simple glue gun. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.